We're talking about one continuous chase from the moment he drove out of DJ's pub until the moment they turned on Jefferson and this man started shooting. He puts his entire head, neck, torso, arm, entire upper half of his body out that window to take aim. There's only one reason to put that much of your body out of a window of a car and take aim, and that is because he's thought about what he's going to do, and he intends to hit that man on the bike with the bullet. And he knows that by hitting him with the bullet, he is intending to kill him. This is absolutely what's contemplated by the courts in the perpetration of the felony, both for larceny of the vehicle, larceny of the gas, larceny of the carjacking. Not to mention the larceny of the contents of the vehicle. At the point that the shots are fired, we haven't even gotten to the speaker box yet. After the shots are fired, after 2 volleys of shots are fired, they turn down Barney and go up to German, and it's then that this speaker box is taken. There's little doubt and no doubt as to that. This man killed Jake Rameau to prevent him from causing any problems for Deshaun Boylan when Deshaun stole that car. Jake had chased them down, was creeping by Deshaun Boylan, was attempting to retain possession of the vehicle, attempting to recover possession of the vehicle, and he was killed.
When we're talking about intent in this case, you have to realize that this shooting occurred based on the testimony of the witnesses that kind of jumps around a lot, anywhere from 170 till 70 yards away perhaps. If they ever claimed that he was hit from the shots fired here where there were a lot of cartridges found, you're speaking of a block almost 170 yards long. And this is not exactly driving on a smooth expressway. If anybody knows, it's hard enough to send a text and hit the right keys while driving down the street, much less aim a highly inaccurate pistol at a target while a car is going up and down sideways and you're leaning out a window. How do you hit somebody? I submit that the best marksman in the world would have a very difficult shot with a night scope leaning out a window to hit somebody on a moving motorcycle at from 70 to 170 yards, which is all I can figure out is the approximate distance. So if in fact Mr. G is presumed to be the one that shot this weapon and struck somebody, it was clearly happenstance and clearly probably not intended. The shooting was probably directed at scaring away the individual to stay away from Mr. Boylan.